Hi Estrella, I'm going to look at your work. Thank you for getting a participation in there. I think you did. Maybe that wasn't you. If not, I'll thank you in the future. All right, I like the simplicity, the bold step. It's very confident, beautiful, very creative. Love that you put the type on the side. This is a great use of all caps. You don't use it very often, but it looks great. I like too that you aligned it at the top of every letter. It looks very sharp. So right away, I'm excited to see that you're a sophisticated designer, you have experience, and you have an good eye for detail. Very good. This is aligned nicely. It's in tight. This is considered, one word on a line is considered a widow, and it's something you need to battle against. Designers, they get rid of widows and they get rid of hyphens, and they're constantly battling them. And the way to fix those is you either add more type to bump another word to that line, or you just start returning words on the previous line. So try to get that out of there one way or another. All right, so although I love this, I think it's important to get your logo in here too, because that's what we're talking about, and I almost forgot about it until I saw the E here. So the E looks like a secondary element compared to the beautiful typography work. So find a way to make the E a little bit more prominent, although I'm very impressed with your typography work. Okay, so you've got orange in here now. That makes sense because you have it with that condensed type. Let me zoom in a little bit more. So again, you got to get that widow out of there. So you're talking about Century Gothic is what you're using as the accompanying font to your branding. I would align here this text, use the align tool, the red and gold, and then the color numbers. Just use the align palette in Illustrator. All right, applying the signature, logo on black, solid black. So the solid black doesn't have type next to it. That looks inconsistent. And then it's hard for me to tell, but are these E's aligned? Seems like it might be an optical illusion that they're not, but double check that. There's another widow. Oh no, they forgot the middle. Another widow. Ah, they put type on top of it. Clear space. It would be helpful to kind of define this clear space. Like, do you want like 5 centimeters to the left always, and then 2 and then 3 on the bottom? Wow, that looks really good, professional. It's nice. You found a template. Okay, beautiful work. Great back of envelope. Excellent clean design on the letterhead. That's really nice. I am curious what the other side of your business card looks like, because that's where all the information is. Really nice. Okay, so you just have a few things to work on. I would try to incorporate the signature more in the beginning. Even put it on the first page, nice and large. And then just be consistent with your alignment, right? Let me know if you have any questions.